to War India News Hour. PDP bill will provide control and transparency over information. Currently, it's only the Information Technology Act 2000 along with other small sectoral laws, for example RBI laws, which addresses some aspects related to cyberspace and its risks. The PDP bill has provisions for internet use by children and how data related to children is used by organizations. The PDP bill would provide more control and transparency to consumers, enabling them to become owners of their information. Data accumulated on or from a consumer cannot be given to the third parties without the consumer's consent. The PDP bill would hold both private and government organizations accountable for how sensitive and personal data is used by them, hence bringing in more transparency in terms of how the government, that is one of the largest data collectors in the country, handles citizens' data. This measure may even indirectly help the government in putting up mandatory additional security measures to protect this category of data, as this volume of data surely needs regulation and better control. The PDP bill was referred to a joint parliamentary committee on December 12 of 2019 for recommendations. The JPC's report, after timeline extensions granted, was submitted to the Parliament in the budget session held in January 2021. There was improvement in the e-commerce policy, which is on the final stage of the draft and proposes to set up an e-commerce regulator with wide-ranging powers over e-commerce entities and platforms. The draft contained wide-ranging proposals on sharing source codes, algorithms and other data with the government, use of non-personal data of consumers, anti-piracy across border data flows, etc. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. 5G will be as transformational as the internet, says VMware India MD. 5G will be the large driver of innovation and transformation within the business, additionally by way of use instances and the way it impacts the bigger financial system, said Pradeep Nair, Managing Director of VMware India. Going forward, 5G will have the ability to present the sort of buyer expertise that you simply want at excessive bandwidth, and the potential on the edge can be a lot greater. It is going to be an absolute game changer. $748 billion has been washed out as cryptos fell below 33% in the last week. Cryptocurrency investors lost $748 billion in the last 7 days as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, others declined as per the data from CoinGecko. The decline led to a staggering $748 billion loss for crypto investors. Bitcoin's price has contracted 27% during the week from $48,696 to the week's lowest at $34,224 before a slight increase to $35,487, while Ethereum dropped 46% from $3,730 to near $2,000 and Dogecoin by 39% from 52 cents to 31 cents. Government shares the map showing states with highest active COVID-19 cases. The central government has shared a map indicating the 10 states that have the highest number of active cases of coronavirus in India. These states are Karnataka with 4.83 lakh, Maharashtra with 3.54 lakhs, Kerala 2.89 lakhs, Tamil Nadu 2.84 lakhs, Andhra Pradesh 2.10 lakhs, West Bengal 1.31 lakhs, Rajasthan 1.22 lakhs, Orissa 99,091 and Uttar Pradesh at 94,482. Oppo brings an exclusive home delivery option for Oppo products. Oppo announced home delivery of Oppo products with a simple text on the WhatsApp application. This effort is in line with the brand's commitment to bring an elevated shopping experience for all its customers. Starting today, customers can order any Oppo product with just one WhatsApp text stating the name of the state along with PIN code and receive a call back from the nearest retail stores. NextGen Infinite Data Center develops India's first fully integrated video analytics service. NextGen, a data center provider in India, has announced the launch of its video analytics as a service model, introducing COVID-19 surveillance and team management bundles targeted to counter workplace challenges posed by the pandemic. The newly launched offering or solution is a fully integrated end-to-end solution powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning under a single operational fee, coupled with advanced infrastructure and software understanding from a single company. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.